Hello, everyone. So welcome back again. So thanks for taking your time. So it's been a while that I couldn't make a videos, but this is the first video. I'll start again. So I hope I will post more as we go. Okay. So the question we have is AMC 12 A number 19. So the question says there are exactly and distinct rational number k is in between 200 to negative 200. And the equation has at least one integer solution. Okay, so let me highlight this guy. So, and then based on that, what is n? So I hope the question is clear. So make sure you understand the question before you do anything. And the question says the equation has at least one integer solution for some values of k, right? So, and then how many k's are there? Okay, that's the question basically. So whenever we are dealing with integer solution, that has a special name. If you don't know, that's Diophantine equation, but I think you already know since you are watching AMC 12 video anyway. But this is a Diophantine equation, right? So if that's the case, it's better to factor, because when you have factor of two things equal a number, then the factors cannot be too many choices, just the divisor of that number, right? So let me show you what I'm trying to say. So if I write this guy, 5x squared plus kx plus 12 is 0, right? And I'm gonna try factor in this guy, even though I don't know about the k, but let's try and see if we can do this anyway. Okay, so 5x squared, I will multiply 5x by 1x to get 5x squared, that's something. And then to get 12, I need to multiply number right here by the number right here to get 12. But, we don't really know what number should we choose. At the same time, we do know one of the solution is integer for sure, right? So meaning that, let's say you have x minus 2 times, I don't know, x plus 5 equals 0. The solution is just 2, and the solution is negative 5, right? So that means the number after the x, it will tell me the solution after the minus, I would say. So in this case, if one of these will give me an integer solution, most probably it will be from this factor, not from this factor. This could still give me, let's say we have minus 25, but you can still divide by 5. That doesn't really make sense to use that guy. So which is why I will say my integer solution will be coming from this factor, okay? So let's take this guy out of the way. And I'm going to call, this is going to be maybe x plus, I don't know, a. And the solution will be just the minus version of that a, okay? And then to get 12, I need to multiply a by the number right here. So that looks like 12 over a, whatever a, I need to multiply by 12 over a to get 12. Okay, but again, this has to be the same as this equation. To see that, we may be, can expand them. So if you expand them, so you will get 5x squared, and then 5x times a will be 5ax, and then 12 over a times x will be 12 over ax, and then plus 12 is equal to 0. So if you see the middle terms are like, so we can combine them. So 5x squared plus 5a plus 12 over a, all this quantity times x plus 12. Okay, and we know this quadratic and this quadratic is the same thing. So meaning that the coefficient of the squared term is the same as a coefficient of that squared term, right? And then the coefficient, the constant term, I would say, is the same as in both equations, like this guy. And the linear coefficient is k. Linear coefficient is this guy, has to be the same. So the k is 5a plus 12 over a. Okay, this is all good, but how this is going to be helpful, right? So let's remember what we are looking for. We are looking for a number of k's. And I do know k has to be lesser than 200, but it could be all the way to the larger than negative 200. So because that's the meaning of that. So negative 200, k and 200, right? So, and I like to see how many different k's is possible. So if you plug any a's as integer, A could be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe if this is like equal to 200, so let's say this is equal to 200, it could be 40, but if you choose A is 40, so if you choose A as 40, then K will be 5 times 40 plus 12 over 40, which is a bit larger than 200, which is we don't want it. So we want something smaller than that, which means K could be at most 39. So anything 1 through 39 does work because I can get like I mean K could be 39 different values. So I said a bit differently. So I can choose a 39 at most. Okay. And then if I choose anything 1 through 39, then I will get K as rational number. So which is we are told rational number K. And if you choose the negative version of those numbers, like -1, -2, all the way to -39, that will be also possible, meaning that we have double of that 39, which is actually our answer. So we cannot choose 0 for those of you who are maybe thinking, because if you choose A is 0, so this is gonna be 12 over A, which is not possible. Okay, so which is why we cannot take 0. So we have 78 numbers that's gonna give us a at least one integer solution. So I hope that makes sense. I'll see you